So today is December 7th. We are solving equations with variables in multiple locations, part 2, the notes that we took yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and get my equation set up by circling my variables and drawing my line of equality. After I get my equation set up, I'm going to follow 3 steps in order to solve this. Andy, what's step 1 say according to my notes?
Simplify each side.
Yeah, simplify each side by doing what first? Distribute. So I'm going to look on my left side and see if I can distribute. If I look on my left side of my line of equality, can I distribute? No. So then I'm going to look on my right side. On my right side, can you distribute? No. So then I'm going to go back and I'm going to look at my next part. What am I supposed to do after I distribute? Combine like terms. So I'm going to look at my left side. Do I have any like terms there that I can combine? Nope. So then I look at my right side. Do I have any like terms on my right side that I can combine? Nope. So I move to step 2. Andy, read step 2 for me.
Get variables on one side of the equation.
How do I do that? Okay, so I'm going to look at the variable that's the smallest, and I'm going to move it from the one side of the line of equality to the other side to get the variables on the same side. So is 4x or negative 5x smaller? So I'm going to move that negative 5x from the right side to the left. So how am I going to move that negative 5x?
Minus 1.
Say it again, AJ. Positive 5x. So plus 5x. Golden rule, whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. Okay? So on my left side, Sean, what do I bring down? 9 what? What's your variable? X. Okay, keep going. Equals? What do I bring down on my right side? Do I need to put that plus there? Nope. Okay, step 2 is done. Andy, what's step 3?
Solve as usual.
Okay, solve as usual. Morgan, so what does that mean I do next?
I don't know. I don't have these notes.
Look up on the board. You should know how to solve this.
Oh, okay. Plus 17.
What do I bring down on my left side, Morgan?
9x.
Equals?
18.
And then the last step, John C?
Divide by 9, both sides.
And then x equals?
2.
And box it. Good. So look at the next one. This one's going to be a little bit longer. So we're going to have to utilize our notes a little bit better. Not a little bit better, I guess that's the incorrect word. We're going to have to depend on our notes to get us through this problem. We're going to have to depend on them more. Yes? Question? Okay. So Andy told us in the first example that we need to simplify each side of our equation. And we do that by first seeing if if we can distribute. So I'm going to look up blah, 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 blah. Sorry. I'm going to look on the left side of my line of equality to see if I can distribute. Can I distribute on my left side?
Yes.
Yes. Using what number?
3.
3. So I'm going to distribute that 3 by both of the numbers or the terms inside the parentheses. So when I distribute, what am I going to end up with on my left side?
3y.
Okay? Now I'm going to go to my right side of my line of equality. I'm going to look. Can I distribute on my right side? Yes, using what number?
2.
So what should I do with that 4y that's there? Yeah, we're going to go ahead and bring it down so we don't forget about. So you're distributing with a positive 2. And you're taking that positive 2 times both of the terms on the inside of the parentheses. So when you distribute, what do you end up with?
2. Y to y. Minus, negative 18.
How about just minus 18 or negative 18, but not minus negative 18? Okay, what am I missing?
Addition.
Yeah, the addition sign. Don't forget to show that that's a plus. Nice. Moving right along. So we distributed. What do I do after I distribute?
About like 10.
Okay, can I do that on the left?
No.
Nope, so I just bring down the 3y plus 12. Can I do that on the right?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are my like terms on my right?
4y and 2y.
What kind of 2y is that?
Positive.
Okay, so what's 4y plus 2y?
6.
6 what?
Y.
And then what do I bring on down?
Minus 18.
Negative 18 minus 18. Either way, saying that is fine. Okay, so I did step 1 because I distributed, I combined like terms. Now what do I need to do? Anybody? What?
Variables on the same side of the equation.
Yeah, get the variables on the same side. How am I going to do that?
Minus 3y.
Minus 3y because I picked on the little guy. Do you have to pick on the little guy? Do you always have to move the smaller one? Nah. It's easier because you're going to have less negatives to deal with. So left side, what do I bring down?
12.
Equals?
3y. Minus 18.
And the final step?
Solve as usual.
Yeah. Have you guys noticed that our final step a lot of times is solve as usual? So we're going to add 18 to both sides. What's 12 plus 18?
12 plus 18, 24. No, I said 12 plus 18. Whoa there. That's 32. No, 30. No. Yeah. 30. Yeah.
You kind of said it. And next? What do I do next?
You divide
By?
3y.
Not by 3y because I want that y to stay there, right? So I'm just going to
Oh.
divide by 3. And then 30 divided by 3 is? That's right, Kaylin. 10. Nice job. I always feel like you guys do such a nice job when we go through the opener, and then I cut you loose on your worksheets, and you're like, ah. So, I mean, when we do the final exam, do I just need to have a recording and saying,
Yes.
and now after step 1, and now moving to step 2 for each problem? Like you put like you do it on the computer and you just hit the prompt buttons? Is that what we're going to do? All right, last one. This one is my favorite.
Oh, can I do it?
Yeah. John's like, me, I got it.
Was it taking our final on the
So
computer?
first, simplify each side of the equation. So 3z and then negative 9.
How did you do that?
Um,
What you did it exactly right. What step did you do in simplifying to get that?
take the 3 and
But what's it called? What's the specific term?
distribute.
There you go. And then continue. Go ahead.
Then plus 10, drop down.
All right.
And then drop down to 4z. And then negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. And then negative 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. No, positive 2.
Okay, good. Positive 2 what?
Z.
And then?
And then negative 9.
All right. Now what?
I messed up something.
That's okay. Do you want to finish it?
Yeah, I'll finish it for now.
And then we'll go back and fix it?
Yeah, because I forgot the 2z and I kind of added up 5 plus.
That's okay. So let's go back to the left side. So after you distribute, then what do?
You combine like terms.
Okay, so what are my like terms?
Negative 9 and positive 10.
Okay. When you go to bring this down, what should I bring down first?
The 3z
Okay, then go ahead.
and it's positive.
Okay. What are my like terms on the right side?
It's going to be 5, negative 5 and negative 9 and 4z.
Okay, so when I combine those, what do I end up with?
6z. Negative 8. Wait, no, wait. Negative 14.
All right.
Then pick on the little guy, which is pick the variable on one side of the equation. So negative 3z on both sides. And then that would be 6z. No, drop down to 1.
Okay.
And then 3z, negative 14. Solve as usual. So positive 14 on both sides. Which will be 15 on the left. Equals 3z, and then divide 3 on both sides. 5 equals z. I had 13 equals e.